I remember the first day I moved in, almost 9 years ago, you gave me some zucca flour to eat.
I remember, but
Good morning, it's Matty P. I'm here in my backyard in the lovely Toronto, Canada. Super hot day. Today I'm learning how to cook zucchini flour with my neighbor Lauretta and Vince, and they were nice enough to plant some in my backyard. I've just been growing ganja this year and nothing else, but they did some lovely zucca. So, Lauretta, this is the flour.
this is the flour.
Yeah.
I can pick?
You can pick it.
Okay.
So we actually already picked them, or Vince picked them this morning. There's a whole bunch in your house already.
Okay.
But that's okay. They look really pretty, yeah?
Oh yeah.
That is so nice. And yeah, zucca is pretty much all I'm growing other than the ganja here. And these flowers, Lauretta, you said even by tomorrow they're gonna start growing again. So they pop out quickly. Oh, and the peppers are starting.
No, this is a tomato.
Oh, tomato. Okay, never mind. I don't know anything.
No, look, he has some lots of this.
Yeah, you have lots, and I'm just growing on ganja.
Yeah,
so.
but this one I eat everything.
Yeah, the ganja's taking all the energy. So.
Okay. Come on inside now.
Yeah, so best neighbors ever. We'll have to do a garden tour video with you
Oh my
someday.
God.
Yeah, maybe in the morning when it's not so hot.
Yeah. Now come inside. Look what I make this.
Ooh, what's this?
You know what it is?
No. Lentil?
Lentils, yeah.
Oh, nice.
This tomato. Oh, it's okay. It's soup.
So this is all the ones that Vince picked this morning.
Now my tail.
Oh.
You pick it this morning. This one.
Ah. I see.
Look.
So fresh.
Yeah.
Yeah, it looks good. Those are the, yeah. So these ones have been for a couple days then?
This one. Yeah, I can keep in the fridge, yeah, for a couple of days. No more, that's why. Now you see how I make and then you try.
Okay. Be very good.
Okay.
I can take those after.
One. Two. Three for now.
All right. So they grow really fast, yeah? The flowers.
Oh,
So quick. Because I remember there's some years where we didn't even get any zucchini, we just got the flowers.
no, just the flour. Salt,
Yep.
little bit of milk, and the Parmesan cheese.
Parmesan too, okay.
Now a little bit of flour. And now I see move io.
I remember the first day I moved in, almost 9 years ago, you gave me some zucca flour to eat in a little foil. Do you remember?
And Matteo. I remember, but okay now.
So that's the thickness you want. love summertime here. We get so many different types of food in the garden. Vince and Lauretta grow way more than I do. I usually get tomatoes, peppers, basil. I mean, we could probably do 10 episodes with what they're growing back there. Beans, what else? What else you growing, Vince? What other things grow in the garden right now?
Otro plantas na
Pepper,
jardim.
zucca, beans, cucumber, and basil. That's it.
Arugula?
Arugula.
Yeah. So when you lived in Calabria, did you grow a lot of zucca too?
Oh yeah, in Calabria,
So much?
lots of zucca. When I growing up in Calabria. Now Matteo nobody do it.
They don't cook it anymore in Calabria? It's an older dish?
See, people don't want to work.
Lazy people.
That was it, pretty quick, 10 minutes, whole bunch of zucca flowers cooked. Smells great. Yeah, I'm excited to try this again.
Salud.
Salute.
Salud. Looks beautiful. So I am so spoiled living next door. Get these homemade Italian lunches, Calabria style. So we got beautiful pane bread, lentil soup,
Lentil soup, yeah.
fiore di zucchini,
Fiore di zucchini, yeah.
and this is homemade hot pepper
Yeah.
from Vince. Or no, you made it.
Whatever is.
Vince eats, Lauretta makes.
Yes, you're right.
Yeah, Lauretta amica, yeah. Buon appetito!
All right.
I don't know, it's okay.
Of course, it's okay.
C'è messo pepper.
Well, you gotta try a
Ce ne
little.
vuoi, ce ne vuoi?
I'll try a little bit.
I
Quiero
can-
aprobar.
He put
Io
it.
ce l'ho messo.
All right, so this is the nice lentil soup, ooh, which is a surprise to me. Very nice. Just lentil, onion, and a little bit of bacon. It's like a very
Bacon.
subtle kind of taste to make that broth is so nice. So this is the fiore di zucca. Beautiful. It's like a little bit crispy. You taste a little bit of the Parmesan on the egg, like almost like an omelet, but the flour tastes almost exactly like zucchini, but it's just like almost like a thin sliced zucchini. Not as watery. It's almost nicer because it's not as much water in it, right?
Yeah.
Mm.
Yeah.
Oh my.
That's yeah.
It is just so nice. Whoa.
So you go in the store, the shop store, whatever, if you have style or blouse or whatever. For 10, you have to pay $10, $1 each. And then when you make it for sure $3 or $4 each
At a restaurant.
at the restaurant.
I've never even seen at a restaurant before.
You never seen?
No.
Go try an Italian restaurant. You find it.
Ever
And then you're telling me how much it costs.
Well, ever since I moved next door, I don't eat at an Italian restaurant
Oh
anymore.
gosh.
I get to eat here every week, so
You have over here the
yeah,
restaurant.
no more Italian for me. It ruined Italian food for me.
Thank you. Thank you, Matteo.
Well, that's it. Gonna enjoy my lunch now. If you want to see more cooking with Lauretta and hanging out with Vince, comment below. We'll do some other stuff.
Another time.
Yeah.